بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وبعد.
In the name of God, the compassionate, the merciful, Mr. President, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Distinguished delegates, allow me to begin by congratulating you on your election to preside the 64th session of the General Assembly of the United Nations. We are fully confident that the international community will greatly benefit from your experience and wisdom on the political and human fronts, and particularly at the local and international levels. May I also take this opportunity to warmly thank His Excellency the Secretary General and all governments, international organizations and individuals who have offered support and have promoted peace and stability in Somalia, and who deliver to our country the aid necessary to protect its sovereignty, territorial integrity and unity. May I express our condolences to the families of the victims who lost their lives in defense of peace and stability in Somalia. I would particularly like to thank the African Union, which has made tremendous sacrifices for the cause of peace in Somalia. Mr. President, I would like, in my statement, to talk about the efforts made and the progress achieved by the government of Somalia since it acceded to power following the Djibouti peace process. And this despite the tremendous difficulties that the government has to tackle, particularly given that it was established after 18 years of anarchy and chaos. The priorities established by our government are as follows: to improve the situation in terms of security and promote efforts to achieve reconciliation, while simultaneously providing the necessary humanitarian assistance to displaced persons and the disadvantaged in our country. However, unfortunately, the rebel elements are endeavoring to bring down the Somali government, which is still taking its first steps in achieving security. And these rebel elements have conducted a violent insurrection against the government. And this is compounded by the negative effects and sequels of 18 years. And this further compounded by the level of unemployment and the weakness of our country on the security front. Mr. President, clearly foreign elements have joined the ranks of the rebellion, and some of these elements are foreigners who are leaders, indeed, in some cases, in these rebel forces. I would like to remind you that we overcame the attempted coup